How to get control of your stress. Lesson 6.
Hello, my name is Chess Moulton and I'm the Stress Master. Some so-called stress experts focus almost singly on the idea that chanting daily affirmations confirming that I am not worthless or using similar statements is the route to take. But that will never alleviate your stress and all the pain that goes with it. Because the lack of affirmations didn't cause stress in the first place. It is enough to just accept that as an individual, it all starts with you. You are the one who will decide what the rules of your boundaries will be. You need to be fully aware that boundaries may mean disappointing and upsetting others, hurting their feelings, or even losing friends over it. But think about it. It is not being selfish by turning people's demands or expectations of you down when you cannot or do not want to conform, or saying something that protects you but causes them to feel hurt because you aren't complying with what they assumed would be your response. And if standing your ground means losing a friendship, then just how valuable was that friendship anyway? My friend, it is time to get real with your life and to live it according to your terms, not someone else's. That is the only way to alleviate the stress you are suffering.